Friends, Running Kimono here, and we're going to talk about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens this week, and we are looking at the week of October the 24th. First thing I do want to talk about, though, because I was polling on Instagram about some sort of weird thing that's happening on Sundays over at Walgreens, where the app, you'll get this bar of not available, out of stock, and you can be looking up like a Snickers bar. And of course, they have one Snickers bar at Walgreens, but you can add it. And this is some sort of problem in the app where it's just, I don't know if there's so many people on the app or the app is getting updated with the new digital coupons. But if you see this, give it 12 hours. And I know that is a pain, or alternatively, you can go on a desktop computer. But it just seems like a lot of us are dealing with this. So I just wanted to throw that on the table. And these are specifically curbside deals, meaning you're ordering it through your cell phone or a desktop computer, driving to the store and picking it up. And that's what we're doing in today's video. Walgreens does these premium photo cards. You can get up to 6 5x7s for free, perhaps get a couple Christmas cards with the code SAMPLE, and that is one per store card. Not every location does these photo cards as well. I think it's in only larger stores, but it's an easy freebie for you guys. Now, I also want to clarify one thing. The deals that we're looking at are curbside. So any sort of deal with a register reward, like that $4 on the screen, you have to do them in store. So like all of the Dove deals, the Colgate deals, the Crest deal that I was showing in yesterday's video, you have to do those in store. So I will link this video at the very end. And if you are in store today, definitely look for these clearance disinfectant wipes for 29 cents. I know a couple of you were scoring them. How exciting is that? But yeah, let's talk about these curbside offers. Okay, so curbside offer number one is going to include 2 of the Degree deodorants at $6.29 for a subtotal of $9.43. That is a BOGO 50% off. So we're going to have to throw in a little something to get us to that $10 mark. So some M&Ms. This is the digital coupon that we're going to be loading. That is a $7.50 off of 2, a very generous coupon. Looking at the overall basket here, the subtotal is $10.72. Curbside pickup is free. We have our tax and our coupon for a new total of $3.79. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash, pay that 79 cents, and call this a very smart dealio. Okay, so curbside offer number 2. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these Axe dry sprays for $7.49 on the same promotion of BOGO 50% off. Unfortunately, there is no register reward printing for the Axe or the Degree, thus we're doing it as a curbside. We have a $6.75 off of 2, which is also a very, very generous coupon, so delighted to see that. New subtotal is $11.23 for the 2 dry sprays, free curbside pickup. Our tax is 67 cents. The coupon's coming off there for a new total of $5.15. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay the 15 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. As we're getting very close to Halloween, this is a Halloween stock up deal. We're going to be grabbing 4 of the believe these are called snack sizes, the 9.6 ounce bags of these Reese's peanut butter cups. There's a whole host of candy, so if this is not your thing, just look around for the candy priced at $5.29 on a BOGO free promotion. Throwing 4 of them into a basket, that's $10.58. Curbside pickup is free. There's no tax on this in Michigan because this is considered food, believe it or not. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 58 cents, and this is a very smart deal to stock up on some very inexpensive candy. Curbside number 4. We're going to be grabbing 3 of these Vaseline lip balms at $1.99 a pop. The new monthly promotion is buy 2, get 1 for free, so one of them is for free, along with our old friend 2 of the Degree deodorant. So we're just kind of Frankensteining an old deal. Looking at this, we're going to need this digital coupon, which is the $7.50 off of 2. What a great coupon that is. And the $1.99 off of 2 for these little lip balms. Now, I was able to load this yesterday, but I cannot find this coupon now, so who knows where it is. $13.41 for the overall basket. Curbside pickup is free. 80 cents in tax, and then $9.49 for all of our digitals coming off, for a new total of $4.72. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 72 cents and call this a very smart basket. Okay, the last dealio that we have for you guys, curb number 5. This is for all the nail enthusiasts out there. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Revlon toenail clippers on a BOGO 50% off for $5.38. And then one of these Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. It's like a little pen for $6.49. And that's on some sort of a sales promotion because some of them are $11.99. So definitely pick your color wisely. As you can see, this is the digital coupon that we need loaded for the nail clippers. It's $4 off of 2, and then the $5 for the Miracle Gel, and that's the cheapy one that we're looking for, the $6.49. So definitely pick your color wisely. So the overall basket is $11.87, free curbside pickup, our tax, and $9 of coupons melting off right there for a new total of $3.58. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 58 cents and call that a really good deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.